But anyway, people, remember if you're watching us right now for the first time, we're here each and every Tuesday. This is TGM Radio. We call it the Up and Live Show. Remember, you can go onto our YouTube page. It's called Up and Live Show, and you can search for all the previous interviews we have here. We have weekly guests in the studio right here, and also we talk about current topics about dancehall around the world right here in the UK. So don't you jog on?
Yeah, true. Make us recap the rule them quick and fast now.
Yeah.
So people, here we go on now with the rules and the rounds. May I just recap it and make you know what I go on quick and fast. See? People, the first round, which is the juggling round, introductory round, you don't know anything goes. You can play soca, R&B, rock steady, rock, so anything you feel like to play, it can play in the first round. As long as you mash up the live scene, first round. Second round, move on to the challenge round. You know that round there is a challenge round. Always say the challenge for this week is Vibes Cartel. So each contestant gonna play the best 3 Vibes Cartel. You see? And then we just do the chefs from there. So you know the last and final round, which is the third round. You know that a tune for tune. You know that's something that go. The baddest tune them all win. And people, here we go now. Here the voting setup all go.
Yeah.
After each round, we will stop the show for a bit and we'll vote. See? So we now put up S for Shanti or B for Beenie G. See? Because everybody can read and write and spell on them something there. So they make A, B, C, and 1, 2, 3.
Simple as
that. All right. See? I now have 1 minute and 20 seconds for the little voting. And then we just tally up the A them. No, the B them and the S them. See them?
And if you look on the screen now, there's I see that 1 minute 20 seconds. That's going to be the clock. That's going to be counting down for the time for you to vote. So when that clock starts, that means the voting starts. When it finishes, that's the last vote. How we're going to be counting the vote that is on screen when it ends, and that will be the last vote that is being tallied. All right. So
people here want to know. Remember the first round. That round gonna last for 10 minutes.
10 minutes.
Each contestant, seeing? So that's the first round. So that I set up.
Sparky, press up.
Sparky, you ready?
Yeah. Yeah. All right. Cool. All right. We want the picture now.
You know what the thing go? UK celebrity clash. I'm a celebrity. Yeah, you know the chop go. Well, if the camera is here, I know where me I shoot, you know. Because I know who me I shoot. Is it? So we got the people and we are giving a nice entertaining show. So we got the proprietor. Alright, shoot, because I know all people talking.
Original.
I want to try. I test them one test. Wickedness.
Original.
When I get that, you was the carry.
They got the people them will check in, you know the chap go.
Oh no better call when me come out. How about that push up on no mouth? Oh no better call when me come out. How about that push up on no mouth? True way. Feel like them safe. But all
you know
is
the
not
thing
well.
of the bad bro sparks
Some
and
boy
shoot.
a big gun Jezebel.
So you know the badness go east side fully, right?
Oh, you come and tell me say you're bad and you're wicked. Me check it out and you want big guns to bad. And if you have a one gun to shoot,
that's what you think.
Feel say you can decide the
Go forward in London right now.
Say you're wicked and you're bad.
But we are going to show them the badness from JA to UK, right?
Out in the street, they call it murder.
Camp where the thugs and camp at 2 pound now within a van.
Now this one dedicated to all the parts of them who jump up.
Know the thing go early one.
Dedicated to all the man them who wake up and push up.
I know I'll leave for a clock. You see what me I say? So tell them this.
Second miss a cat because you come from my shit up. Anywhere you go with a y'all and pull up.
Before you shoot that one, you level.
Well dangerous. Me say mud up italic and
you know what the thing got, we try to keep it clean sometimes. But one thing, we don't mix up, you know. No fubby double. No fubby double none at all. We know we have one heap of them something here. But as a star,
enough of them the pussy then not like we call it nice, yeah. I bust the platinum wrist with all a finger full of ice, yeah. We tell the fastest.
Find some bad minded pussy one. Whatever, nah. Hey, certain boy, we no want no friend from them. I pussy them, a big fussy them think me.
Ruben, what we are gonna do them?
We know say enough artists are going to spice up one heap of dub to shoot at the general in the UK right now. But let me tell you not this.
Slew them up their feelings, them a carry. Them done but already and them can't say them sorry, yeah. Slew them up their feelings, them a carry. You know want do them something again. Well, you what you with name? Who them a could have what that them a try. Them
yeah,
got
man.
this king still a say what you all of them.
Them don't like me.
Who them a make us.
But I don't like men. Yes, what me I say?
We stay. We go run fish out about boy anyway. No matter where soldier or police war say. From a boy get funny, we are gonna tell him go away.
Don't stop shoot them. Let me see some fire scream on the live.
When we are born party boy, we not.
Yeah, no sparks go with the shootings in now. Only in I clip. That's why we take long for forward.
If I pass it all like it.
Fuck that ugly fucker and get an ugly fucker like you.
Sparks. Them not like we, but we don't give a damn.
So no take man, no know the post, so all them not like me. See them all hype up, but that still not spite me. But man a cut and got choke out.
Let me tell you what we not like, no.
We not like if I put a parasite and we not like but him and a Saddamite and we not like oh God.
1,000 years as we never talk too much gonna put on them sound.
Right now, it's a privilege for Beenie G war against me right now. You know why?
We don't know why them saying them at top of the top. We never get okay, we don't know sound clash. We don't know why them saying them at
yo, I'm me at the teacher in this.
when you say top of top, no dust, top of top shop, top of top six, so much is top of top will start.
Me just call Sparks and tell him say one thing for the mission. One thing we forward to go up on the mission and do.
So little boy this me the other day. I swear to them get away. But anyway we see them boy they astray. The whole of them I get sprayed.
Bad man, a bad man. Fool is a fool. Gangsters a text, sorry now just fool. No way. Disrespect the family, you broke the first rule. Me with pop my tool.
The machinery, you forgot to tell me. Me no pass on ya. I'm pass on ya. Me no pass on ya. Me fire on the whole of them. Me nah beg no friend from none of them. Me fire on the whole of them. You know. Who they know? Them let me rotty. Slew them with karate. Praise King Selassie, you the I said baloney.
We don't know what people talking in the early part of the war. You know what the trap go.
The boy them a fuck them a fuck. But him a not.
You know what the thing go when you search Shanti post on the internet, one thing forward up.
Little bit of people me. Who my blood clot bad, me no must know God. I say I'm a father. Boy, are you come and tell man your name, Gully God?
A friendly clash, but one yeah.
Go talk your mother dog. You know bad like an.
For me, the little boy, me no fear man. And me we make to live up on this station. Combo wall, come and up your mother.
Show him on ya, show him football, show him medal if him body in.
You know how the badness go.
I'll drop my finger them no.
We ain't on a whole juggling right through.
Take a look, watch out, carry the book. Hello, the badness to the 10 of them a foot. How I gun them big.
Beenie G, I really want your plan for a Shanti force in a real life.
I'm to the fool. You a dead boy, them come and make you wrong move, make a fool. More. Anything I call them ready for, them ready to. And it's me and nothing now.
Hey, your people. Well, one for see Shanti force down for. But 7 times rise, and 7 times rise, I bump buckle again. You see what me I say? You say no matter what in a war, me can tell you something, Sparks. Tell them this.
Not nice. He boy run like a wounded dog. Broke you see and record. Don't run. Baba boy, don't run. The boy dress up like police. And I run
a soldier shooting forward out in today, but you know we shoot soldier and police.
Big yard, we are the last man standing.
Tell the Russian, rise the Russian.
We no fry
All when you're rolling with the
see even at the soldier suit then we represent the front page.
Hey, we
We no afraid of nobody. No afraid of
When I know what
nobody.
you talking, one
Full
thing
of
again.
gun on the Gaza. Run some boy file and find out them a Baba John was star. Where them a try, you must see blood clot fool. Hey Rambo, kill them all and done. Kill them all and done. Tall rifle
You know what the thing go?
boy life a done.
Big up my brother Style and British. Oh Jesus. You see Style him stay so with the cream, but I can't tell you something about me.
Likewise, me know so the pussy them afraid of me gun. Because they got that step.
Don't feel like Jonas is Style with the cream. Let me tell you this.
Youngsters we no play, friendship we no buy. Pussy violate, we make them dopey bad fly. Rise up if
Them boy they a baby, them not do a thing. Talk them a talk, not nice. When me bust my gun,
Tell them this.
somebody a fi get gunshot. Somebody face a fi punch. Shoot out the cage through the window, and it a roll like blood clot thunder.
Level.
Somebody a fi get.
When me go run Beenie G file over West London, not a thing forward up, I swear. Me can tell you something.
Blood clot thunder. Build it. I don't know. Me no care where you back from, or the ends where you track from. Gunshot make you fall like the bridge over London. When they kick you like Van Damme. This me out of east and me buck you over Boston. Head a bust like gas pan. Bullet with gunpowder, no last man. This cartel and pantan. Push your head up inna your mother pussy like tampon. Yeah, big up Buju Bantan. When boy you kick like Jackie Chan over Hong Kong.
Level. You know what the badness? Entertainment said we. Zin? As me say, them know the thing, guy. Everybody wants to see Shanti Force downfall, right? But them know the thing, guys, because I'm a bad motherfucking nigga. You see what me I say? I mean, I have to tell some of these little boys, if you don't want to run up in a war, maybe I'll tell you this.
Living no, where me they telling no. One set of lunatics, hell after hell no. So kuno mother ammunition I go shell no. Friend I see friend I they bet you that would a quell no. Watch a level no, blood I go shell no. Man I go dead no, boss a shot in a head no. Where me they telling no, living no, ready no, watch a. When we get gunned down, in a broad day, what things we do, what words we say, flat out by your back, that a little days. All of your little dreams and aspirations, them gone to waste. What the fuck will you think? You think this is a game? When you fall upon a concrete in a blood in a pain.
You know what the chap go? That is it. We're outside. We good with that. Madras.
War. We are war around here. You know what the thing go? Who am to some? Hey, don't make me cuss around here, you know. Yeah.
So people, all the war go, all the first one go. Look like that look around the sun, all right too, no? Eh? Are it no 100? Me no know. Cause right now, Beenie G look like him ready, you know. Adapt me I tell you. Beenie G look like him ready. Seen? I'm like how the energy start, cause the man forward serious dragon.
Yeah.
The man them forward serious. The man they know what attacking just a fire shot.
Me like how the war operate.
I'm like that.
Swear.
Seen? So me make sure say we line up Beenie G music properly. Seen? So make sure say we not have no shakiness go on in our studio. Seen?
Press up everything and rare. Because see what I want. See what wire.
See wire some.
See what wire there, so man. Hold it. Plug in the wire there, so. Cause we make sure say everything I work, everything plug in. Cause you know what the thing go. We don't want them say no shimmings go on round, yeah. See it?
Everything alright, everything good, everything jiggy. A sound system thing, I saw it forward. So the badness forward.
Yeah, they say they.
Touch something on the board and make me say everything I work out. Right. You give me some levels there, some. See?
6 million.
Yeah, right, that.
6 million.
6 million we have to die.
Alright.
So alright, let me get the time out properly so we get the time counting right. Cause we don't want to say we give nobody no extra time. See? So Beenie G forward, we can start the time officially. See the way Dragon have this, so the time now is exactly 33 minutes past 10. So obviously when we reach 43 a time. Yeah? Beenie G people.
Yo. Fire phone check. Good night, people on the live. I see a one voice in from your head of I may I say a one voice in from your head of voice.
You don't know, say a Jason in and we are represent for Beenie G. You don't know anybody violate Beenie G, you don't know what time it is, you know. I may I say a one voice in from your head of voice. You don't know, say a Jason in and we are represent for Beenie G. You don't know anybody violate Beenie G, you don't know what time it is, you know.
Hold on, make me just start that something here. Something I go on here, something I don't know what I go on, but something I go on. But just start that something here real quick. Hold on there. Yo. No, hold on there. Hold on there, my G. I could just start how I go on run here, so. See it? Fix how I go on run here, so. Something in a so. Alright, see there, so. Brother, watch your volume them, so see it? Watch your level them. Watch your level them, see it? Give me some volume on the speaker box over there so me how I go on. Everything goes over here, so you see me? Alright, see it? I hit that. Hit that, people, see it? Press play over there so we see how I go on.
You don't know, see a Jason in and we are represent for Beenie G. You don't know anybody violate Beenie G, you don't.
People, when they see how Shanti Force goes so strong, first them set a bag of trap, me carry nearly punch up on me where me a drive ya. Now, all of a sudden the device them now work when the lion attack. Him still a go dead. 45? Ready, let's go. No long talking.
Lion style, govern the lion pride. Yo, Beenie G, them phenomenal and chatting, one squeeze them dead, rapid burst.
Cool and easy, my people. Lion style in the building. You got me Rasta General, let's Shama.
Beenie G kill them straight, and I jump and can't spoil our fight. Beenie G kill them straight.
Yeah.
Whether day or you, whether one night. Beenie G kill them straight, and then show all them pumps and pride. Beenie G, you're so great.
Nice and easy. Good night, big people on the line. And the young ones.
Go tell Ponty.
Level. People, that time new name for tonight. His name we are change it from Shanti Force. Him name Panty Force. Play the next road.
Yeah, Beenie G. I want him a break.
People, me not play no bumbo clad 45 in the round here. I feel a bumbo clad don't play me I kill him with. Big up my dark black kush. Lion style. Listen. Nice and easy. You're ready for clot it. Blood clot yet. Okay.
Stay focused. Bentley and the Mark X. Money better life, you are pre-for
Level.
Them can't stop him success.
Shanti Force forward at the war with a truckload of people. Nothing wrong. Them can carry up back him casket, got acne. I want my female shooter them me I go use and shoot him blood clot, you know. Mommy Marisa, play that one there.
Yo, Beenie, you not done the man yet?
Give me some lion emoji in the live, people. Some lion emoji and some lion flames.
Mommy, say so.
Listen.
They pon up on live clash Shanti Force dying.
Yeah.
Lion kill him.
Buckler, don't play with me. Play it again.
You not done the man yet?
Listen.
Yo, you have to deal with this
Shanti
thing
Force
proper,
dead from the first round.
Mommy, say so.
Him bring the truckload of
they
people.
pon up on live clash Shanti Force dying. The lion kill him, not everybody balling, but we gon' have a good time. Beenie G a living best life, yeah. The clash did nice, Beenie victory. Shanti never stand a chance, him a walking on the field. We gon' have a good time. Beenie G a just bust a big
Listen.
When the gunshots popping, Shanti Force dropping, Beenie G flopping.
From here, the voice you don't know, say a Jason in I may I say Beenie G. I want to them dead sound man ya. I want to Shanti Force, Panty Force. We are kill them lion art style. Beenie G have real friends, but him have some real friends, but him have some real friends, but him have some fake ones.
Pull up that.
Friends.
Pull up that dope,
I want to
boy.
hear the voice, you know, you don't know.
So,
say
London,
just
we gonna
son,
spend
you know.
money.
I mean, I say Beenie G. I want to them dead son, man. Yeah. I want to Shanti Force, Panty Force. We are kill them
Panty
lion
Force in there.
style. Beenie G have real friends, but him have some fake ones too. Real friends have your back, the fake ones no love you. Quick fi chat behind your back, envy and grudge you. Real friends real, but the fake ones are trouble. Can't stop we, lion heart unstoppable. Bad mind friend, no for them uncurable. Can't make life, cause them too unstable. Are the same thing, mash up Cain and Abel. We no see what them now want, we fi make it see Beenie G sound. So make a son boy want test it.
You know
We
them
no
can't
like
test
that,
big
and we
bad
might
sound.
just regret it what you heard.
Beenie G, you ready for kill some clown? Anything or anything if I was started.
Anything
Can
in
we
the
have
pussy.
enough dope figure clot him.
You got
Dope
that, see
them
him with.
for them people in the market.
Anything you do, you
skin
dead.
dark like chocolate. Hey, gun bigger than forklift. Please me, I beg you to make me blast it.
What a level. People, when you realize you beer dub plate you might get, you realize say, and then a normal little 45 you might get, squeeze our next blood clot dub.
Yeah, man, Beenie G. Jaja blessing a fall pan you, you know?
I know we bless. You
Jaja
know me,
blessing
say
a
lion
fall
style.
pan you like rain.
Okay.
That's why the pagan them a pray.
Them appreciate.
But remember say you are the Lion King.
They know that.
Remember say you say lion style.
And that tough like
And that tough like iron style. So no worry about them. I jump on sound dead. Beenie G saw bless, you know. Sound dead. Money of the progress, you know. I jump on sound dead. Beenie G saw bless, you know.
Shanti
Sound dead.
dead.
Money of the progress. Mama say no worry about no
Look at
stress.
myself, Prince. I team the Prince. Look up yourself. Well, let's do that. Bumbo clot. Rasta General again for him blood clot. Be a shut up for your rapid verse.
Chalice. Burn out all the hatred and the malice. How them see it up in a me palace. Beenie G a kings, them boy they said my galley. How my for easy, Beenie G get the gal them so easy. Him now fi I believe me, them boys say them a guess. Woman in a place, woman in a place.
Next in
Woman in a
line.
place, me discreet, let me know how so she give it fit.
Slick with it be.
Radar stand up, big up yourself.
Yo, Beenie G. I'm after some boy. Oi, fully bad.
Listen.
You know say we're fully bad.
I have a talk now.
Yo, Beenie G, wanna kill them with a one eye, no brother. Hey, you know say.
Them ting man a laugh when them hear man a laugh. We see rules from we blood clot heart. Them violate, man a go kill them all.
Listen.
Beenie rise it and beat it, the pussy them freaky. Your girl tell everybody say you eat it.
Yeah, Beenie G, I want to them geek them. Want to them freak them.
Listen, people,
Want to them make them. I want that on that table.
Level, me dub them can talk for me. I want to listen. Turn it up.
The fire Beenie G burn out the pockets. From them so the pussy rush, I'm then I tell you this. Me and you then I go smoke the sex bliss. You got me and press your brain when me cocky get stiff. Some boy go use them tongue and suck out the girl them clitoris.
Who do Pablo Cognac? I'm here represent for who? Beenie G. Yeah man, all of the dark who got murder them and make the penis see. You hear me? Lion style. No, hold on. Iron style. You need not make that rhythm play. No delay, time to spray. A black cognac with the AK. Them can't war your youth. Ha ha, how you bust it? Rapid burst. Bright light of the rapid earth. When them familiar clapping church. Beenie G head mad him fire shot in a church. You a clap it for rapid burst.
Where else you have there? We full of gun, you know. Where else you have there? Shoot off any.
Yeah, you don't know a G Mafia representing for Beenie G. Kill them for free. How would them a free? You don't know we have the whole street like already, you know. Them a conduct like already, you know. Hey, Beenie G. Roll up in at the fat coupe. Thick fat Kyle. Beenie G style a kill them. Watch a girl them a pre-week. Hey, enough boy eat we. Chew them girl on date we. We take the clip off for safety. So tell the fool them to face we. Beenie G the rifle kill them and no diabetes. Kick them like when Messi get a free kick. Pull up in at the fat whip neck full of drip swag. Hotter than a cup of hot chocolate. You dub so sick send for the nurse quick. Brands you a beat no boy never beat it. Run the road like a athlete. Tell them say you like street. Put it and repeat. Bust it like a secret. No snow now fall but your neck still a free.
People. A blood clot. Vladimir Putin, me go link to them nuclear weapon here now. 1 minute left. Few minutes left. Listen, squeeze our next blood clot nuclear. We have them
Yo,
no.
Beenie G, I want to sound
Level, hold on, stop. Me have to intro that one here proper. Big up my brother Pierre. Today I'm Earth Strong. Happy Earth Strong, more paid up on the Earth long. Me glad they give me the blood clot gift ya. If you kill Panty Force, play the blood clot though.
Yo, Beenie G, I want to sound boy.
Oh gosh, lively again. Me roll one up, them arrive in a tent. Beenie G, split your week with a dub plate. We not have time for your type and a send. Still get the message just like MSN. To your brethren, them you want die for your friend. No resurrection, no rising again. You're dead already, nobody try fi go hang. You dub them shit, me no want hear that. You must get killed, cause you dub them trash. Beenie, I when them sound gone, me no see that. Bun down, dump to ash. Any one of them, yeah, me do it random. Tap off the head with a lyrical gun. They thought this was gonna be fun. Your song belong in the rubbish, but me have lyrics for dash way. When you lose the sorrow way, you are gonna feel you can't use Guinness for wash way. I know them run away, me can't find them. And yo, Beenie, where Google Maps say. Turn left to find that sound. Them really run down, me think them want clash way. Ready? Them never ready for this. Lyrics like gunshot, make my enemy piss. Them messing with the wrong nigga. That dub they have is not the formula. With them energies, no clash now we now one big precipice that you're falling at. Every song speaker, me set that I like. Them see the military, them a duck and a dive. After this, them now go come back. Shot them and shake them like lightning thunder. Ha! Them try run, but they never reach far. Me make sure them get away vehicle puncher. Yo, Beenie G, them prepare, no look so. Ready, them never ready for this.
People, talk the truth. Them bad like lion style. Talk the truth. Bumbleclad.
War.
Time.
War, I go around here, bumbuck. Hey.
Time.
No, sir. No.
Trouble.
Hold on there.
Trouble did it.
45 shop lock. Pussy clad.
Yo.
No, sir.
Rasta man.
At 10 minutes.
Hold on there.
10 minutes of dub, you know?
No, sir.
Issue this.
Every plate broke in the kitchen.
Issue this. All right, so here, in the interest of time, we're going to do the writing. So
Do the writing.
At the time, we're going to tally the votes them. So we'll get the counting thing on screen here. It's on screen?
Yep. Yeah, it is.
So when you see the timer start count, you're going to put your votes in. And yes, as we say, the rules are dragon.
The rules are, people, here we go on now. That was the introductory round.
Yep.
Seeing anything goes. You can play any song you like. You say Beenie G forward and then play a beer dub. Shanti Force forward and bust a nice juggling wagwan, you see me? Warm up the party. Beenie G said the 45 shop is locked. People, here we go on now. Here the voting setup. You know what the thing go. So, for the celebrity of your choice, you know what Beenie G and Shanti Force over here are.
Yes.
So S for Shanti Force.
Yeah.
And B for Beenie G, see?
And the counting
So when the count
starts,
you don't start it. You don't know anything go.
Start
yeah,
count.
1 minute and
Okay,
20 seconds. That's how it is. Start the counting.
Start it now.
One.
That's
Ready
the
now.
count is off. So we're looking for the first vote to start.
Remember, no people.
The first
That's
count is from Y Graphics. That's the first count.
Yeah. Remember, people, war. Remember, people, after this, you know, say it's all about the challenge round. You know, say that round, each contestant get to play 3 songs. You see me? And the challenge artist for this week is Vibes Cartel. So 3 of the baddest cartel, them all play. And you know, we just do that something again. I'll do it the right way. See it? So go and vote. Remember, the people. B for Beenie G and S for Shanti Force. Because not everybody can read and write. It's not everybody articulate. Bumbuckler, I learn one big word. How I go on? God know? People, you go on now. Come to the vote. You have 32 seconds left. See it? They know we just lock it in there, so and we just start the vote and we just do the right thing. You know where you go. Big up the sponsor them, you know. Big up Granny Race. You don't know what I go on. You see it? You know what I go on. Big up Granny. Remember Friday night. That's at the place to be. Remember Birds can give you
discount.
One little discount over there. You can get something for your home.
I think it's fair. We can call it now.
You can call it.
Here we know people.
Call it.
It's a spelling bee on the line.
We are going 4, 3, 2, 1. Lock the line now. We don't want them set the ballot box, get teeth and beer teeth. Lock the line.
I better than
you see me? Remember security sharp out the door. You see me? The ballot box them lock up. Remember Sparks them have a rifle over here, so you don't know. The car run on the ballot box them. Alright.
Is enough.
Landslide. No people, here we go now. We not have to do no counting. Landslide.
Lady the Angel. Lady was like, boozing. So they go to Beenie G. The whole UK the man go for. Lucky name play a Shanti Force.
Yeah. Acho, Beenie G spend a piece of money.
Exactly.
Yeah.
That's one for Beenie G. We still have 2 rounds left for forward.
1-0 answer. That's why ball game reach. Here we go now. Shanti Force, a fair time now. A challenge round. You know what the thing set up. Best of cartel. 3 cartel.
3 songs.
Best 3 cartel. You know what it go. Shanti, shoot.
You can inch them one at a time.
3. Each contestant gonna play them 3 best cartel.
Yeah.
One after the other.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All
That's
right.
how it go. No. You play shoot 3 straight.
Alright. So people, turn up this now make me can hear myself. As me say, we know say a lot of them want to see me downfall, right? So, first of all, you see the whole of them dub there, the whole of the artists them where them when play upon dub, every one of them artists there, except twice of them, Shanti Force for a feature and them don't get it. First of all, you see what I say? So let me tell you this. If forward out in a soldier suit with 1 bag of cheap dub plate, the whole of them dub plate, then no selector no play them first of all. The artists alone have to play them first of all. You know what the thing go, but we not kill champion, we build champion. So big up Beenie G to give them the highlight. You know what the chap go. But me can tell you this with Beenie G and the whole of them artists there in a dub, we do dub plate for Beenie G a while ago.
Yo, Jeffrey, wet them up like a tsunami.
How are the blood clot is?
Them want to war me some sense to me army. Bullet a spread them like it's in me yaki. This the empire, cup a shot a go fire. Mr. Farmer got the rifle, them was taller than palm tree. Want to war me some sense to me army. Bullet a spread them like a it's in me yaki. Nothing between us, some disguise.
Stop that.
Mr.
As me say, I war this. You see what I say? I don't know, I'm ready for shoot at any time. Them say UK stick 26th of December, so Rudy Classic can get the promotion there right now too. You see what I say? But anyway, black to the reasoning now. As me say, Beenie G, a 1 bag of Umbre Man song and very different from the Marie Marissa song. That's what she name? Anyways, you see what I say? Apart from the song, there are 1 bag of man song. You see what I say? We don't see Beenie G with no only a woman. We see him sing one song about waterfront. He take her to the waterfront and she broke him out to pussy clot. You know why? Because he forward in the house and see Shanti, I take her female girl, Panty, I saw him build up the name Panty Force. You see what I say? But you know what I tell him, girl?
Your pussy make him have to come home. Tell her you alone. Sit down on the cocky like I say you feel your throne.
What you say? How long time we are work with? Okay, cause reasoning, you know. Entertainment. Let me see what I go on the life furthermore. Yeah. You don't know what the thing go. 3 letter me say DRS. 1 road. Front page, you know, back road. If them violate them get a Glock load. You see what I say? So as me I say, from West London to North London to South London to East London, right now, Shanti Force, hot topic. You see when we go up on the M1, we know hear some of them name. You see what I say? No lie. Not even the A406 pass some part reach at the A40. We not hear none of them name. You see what I say? So let me tell you none of this now. As the star right now in a UK, who not like it, just go and bite it because you can't fight it. You see what I say? Me I go tell you not this about Shanti Force and front page and my colleagues them. Shoot it.
Pad we bad, Gaza, pad we bad. Pad we bad, Gaza, pad we bad. Pad we
when
bad,
I
Gaza,
in the talking, you know I'm a humble motherfucker, but let me tell you this.
Bad man, them a camouflage. Have you ever
See me now camouflage suit there?
War. People, you know what I go on. War I go around here. You know what the thing go. See the people? That's the challenge on. Remember them say a cartel a shoot straight cartel. Beenie G. Line up the machine, cause you know what the thing go. We not cheat the game. Line up where I go on and plug in, have a plug in and there's something there. You see me? Alright. We not cheat the game. Hold on, make him line up first, man. Make him line up. Yeah. Make you line up the machine and do your things. You know what I go on. Plug in that something there over that something there. You know what? All right.
You feel like BDG play some cartel don't play?
I don't know. You feel like the two cartel don't play to play?
Straight from prison.
No, people don't tell me what I go on now. Cause no fumble double I go on around here, you know.
Yeah, of course.
All
Yeah,
right.
So we are gonna see what I go on, cause me I wait for the first dub.
Here what go on now. Beenie G, for your time for shoot. Shoot!
Show it again, youth.
People, I'm gonna wait. Me eager for the war. Me eager for the war. So people, catch a prey. Cause you know, me talk with the treble voice. You know a lion style tough like iron style. And you know what me are the black lion king. And you know my style him tough like iron pin. So catch a prey now. Shanti force. Where the girl them say a nyam the most. Zine? Forward there with a whole heap of
Shanti force sound, I mean, panty force, I mean, anti-force
Start with the
sound.
anthem.
We say ashes to ashes.
Let's pay your respect.
And dust to dust. Test Beenie G and your bed boss. Shalom. Yes, we will gather at the river. We will gather at the river. Yes, we will gather at the river. As we put Shanti force on the ground.
Stop that, car. And a long talking. Stop it. Shanti, you forward there, your bag of tracing and your bag of lipping. Let me tell you something, youth. I forward from a place named Dunkirk in East Kingston. Zin, I'm live at West London, West Side, Best London. Squeeze it, we're real bad man.
Yeah, I'm a slap one in your face. What do you?
Me no take intimidation, gun. For me, Johnny could boy, me no fear man. And me we make you live up on this station.
Bumbo hole, go bad up your mother. Please say your bad, take from me back grabber.
Who boots up in Chinese sit and dada? You bright on your face, do you think like grabber?
Don't make me go to East London, go link fagger.
When me say ready,
you can't say you can't bother.
Chatty business, me left that to rather. So
what we do now, people? What we do?
Me not in a chatting, no yapping, no flipping, no clapping. Me strapping, fi clapping, me last them fi chopping.
Well on, him forward and him to a bag of wood. Like, what can do people nothing. Squeeze the next one now, man.
Yo, most of them forgot to baby. We play music, but we don't play. If you this, you are got dead. Bad man not true word. Which were gunshot or spill blood.
Face a piece of like mud.
Face a like mud. Face like mud. Are you them send?
The first time he kill me at 10.
When them bad from me, no know them. Bad man not true word.
Which were gunshot and spill blood. Your face a piece of like mud. Are you them send? The first time he kill me at 10.
When them bad from me, no know them. And a bad man feel real. Them a bad man with the words. Within what I feel like the serves and the curves. Them rifle your shot round corners and curves. Papa, do your face like herbs, suck up the...
Stop that. People, him there and him a going like him a the hottest thing. Like a him around the ground. Shanti, you never start make money yet off of music, youth. Relax yourself. You're good still a sign on. I want to tell you, youth, at the Lion King you war in a youth. This is a privilege for your war. Me hear you say about me for privilege for your war, you. Youth, I'm royalty. Where they are the highest level. Squeeze that, no man.
Them want know when me have a knock, crocodile clear man a bus. Make it light up your life like pepper light. Come back to my kissing, rock a back out be me na god. Like you shoulda name cave time fly a bag of that. I know say
people tell Shanti force and improve this.
None of them know that on the level. I'm not even I know how I do it. I just do it like Jordan or you, we not Shaquille or Kobe, and no one can stop me.
Me no know when, but tells. I'm not today, I'm not tomorrow. Yeah,
I'm not today, I'm not tomorrow. What's it like? It's not tomorrow.
No long talking, lion style tough like iron style.
War.
War in the building.
War. People don't know what go on. You know the war thing set up, scene. Rick, turn on that speaker the box over there, so quick and fast. We're gonna do the right thing. See? Turn on the speaker box there first. Hold on. Turn on the speaker box over there so for me, because you know the feedback something. Yeah, that I run from. Alright,
give me some levels there.
Levels there now.
First and foremost, may I have a look at Stewart inquiry. Remember, we are not the judge. The public is the judge at the event. See? And the rules are we state the rules and everybody knows the in the comments, some people are say the first intro that Beenie G played was it Honey Park Star Railway. So remember, we don't control any of the votings or anything. So I'm just saying that we make that go on. So we just the people be the judge and the people will vote. All right. So Uncle Ivan, put the time up on screen. I make we start count.
Hold on. Wait till we say go on.
Wait.
I'm going to start out the voting thing at first. See? Remember that I cartel 1 for 1 round. Remember, Shanti Force come on fire. 3 hardball cartel round, you know. Remember, you know, 3 hardball cartel fire round, see it?
Yes.
Beenie G forward and fire 3 hardball cartel too. So let's do the right thing. Remember, people go over there and vote. S for Shanti and B for Beenie G. Yeah. Remember, the voting will start. No, Uncle Ivan, you ready?
Well, I'm ready. You say something?
No, basically, them say if Beenie G win this, we're going for next.
Start the voting.
If Beenie G win this, you win the clash. This is fair.
Start
that's how it is. It's
the voting.
A 3. It started, yeah?
Start
it's
the
on the
voting.
screen.
Yeah. People, you are going now. Do the right thing. Don't bias. Vote.
First vote was Chelsea Breaker. First vote was Chelsea Breaker. Wait for the votes. And the votes are
forward. Vote them forward up. All right.
Yeah. People
do the right thing.
People must catch him.
Do the right thing. Remember, you know.
I show a cartel, man. Number one, I think.
3 hardball cartel play first and 3 hardball cartel play after.
Yo, people,
do the right thing.
Just vote. It's not conversation time. Just
vote. That's the right thing go. Do the right thing. Make the vote. Them saying. Remember, people, vote. Uncle Clive, what the time up on the screen? What go on?
You did it, man. Did it?
It's there.
All right. 46 seconds to go. Do the right thing.
Come on, Uncle Ivan. The time you can't do that.
No, you can't see it, man.
See there? Do the right thing. Vote, people. Vote. You know what I go on now. Do the right thing. Saying?
I can't see the time.
Talk about. Uncle Ivan, get that time or something up on the screen to come fast. 25 seconds to go. Do the right thing. Saying? Vote. Yeah, count. 10 seconds to go. Do the right thing, people. Remember, you know. Do the right thing. 5, 4, 3, 2. That's why it stop. All voting locking up because we don't want to mash up the ballot box and
last vote, cross blood flame. One style as the last vote.
We want to count them off?
Brad, tell me how much B you get.
14
B.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Remember,
6, 7,
people, you can vote 1 time. You can't mash up the ballot box.
Okay, so
only 1 vote, Brad. Make sure so nobody not double vote the thing, you know. All right.
The official votes are in. I remember the people them has made a decision. So whatever the votes are there, the chat is there. So if you want to go back and verify it for yourself and count it for yourself, you can also do that. The official numbers that we got on screen that I have in the interest of Shanti Force is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 votes for Shanti Force for that round. And Birds, how much did you get for? 14. So that's 14 for Beenie G and 8 for Shanti Force. So in my calculation, Beenie G has 1 round few as well as round 1. So officially,
hold on now. 2, nothing. So you clash go. Clash go and the clash done until the last round. Play. So it go.
Yeah.
That's how clash go. So here we know, people.
Yeah.
You know it's all about the third and final round, which is the tune for tune. So each artist, each celebrity will forward up and them will play 6 hot songs.
Yeah.
6 of them wickedest songs.
Best of 6.
Uno, I go decide how the round they go. You know where the chap go.
Exactly.
So here we go on now.
Shanti
we
Force.
not all about that thing here now. Shanti Force, shoot.
You know the chap go. Big up Beenie G. Pan the winnings. You see what me I say? But you know the thing go where I shoot said where. You see what me I say? You know the thing go entertainment same way. So all who feel that way in a speech, them I just say it go. You see what me I say? Cause you know I'm not give a fuck anyway and the truth me I talk most of the time. You see what me I say? Yeah. So fully we are shoot the first song. Cause you know as me say we keep it one road, you know. As you know the thing go, the most of them right now don't like the one road. As you can see, him can't link. And most I sang them, only if you talk truth. As fuckery sang them, I just true me no play another in I first round. Talk truth. Like as a real talk. You see what me I say? Yeah, big man thing. But me I show on a real bad song. When you cut dub plate, go for artists where the people them know. Don't forward in I war and I give promotion. If me did forward with dub, you know a trouble. You see what me I say? Forward.
Yeah, man,
don't feel like we're not a dub.
For the feed,
yeah, bad war song, yeah.
And the girl them say Beenie G, watch girl panty most. But lion style, them iron spoil. Gunshot rub them up like tie and die. Beenie G, him nah no gun, him a lion. Run him file, leave it up, him a buy Shanti gun in him and him a
I be a freed up them day now.
Boy, you know time expire. Deliverance can't save in a prayer. When brother boy something like oil in a fire. Shut up on the skin.
Beenie G, when you advise them song, they at least pay them some studio time.
Beenie G head tear out, better say you tear out. Beenie G head tear out. Beenie G head tear out.
Alright, we don't know what the thing go.
No, keep your laptop there, brother.
Keep your laptop there. Tune for tune. Don't move your laptop. Umbre, put on your laptop.
Put on your laptop.
Over there, what you do?
You move nervous, youth.
Where Matic can do get shaky. Carefully no. Carefully no. Carefully no. Carefully no. That's the right thing there no. Here we go on now. You ready? Go over here, son. We just shoot some song quick and fast in. Plug in everything over there so make sure so everything will work. Press it, me, you are going. Press it there, some of me, you are going. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, all right. Beenie G, your time, you know, shoot, you know.
You know, I want me forward. And you know, I'm born for kill people. Big up yourself, Shanti Force. You're a bad artist in a real life. And people don't take nothing personal or entertainment here. I respect Shanti Force highly. I don't know if you know that. You see me? But I war with them. So catch your prey. First of all, people, give Shanti a round of applause. Him play first dub for the clash. Give him a round of applause. Shanti, I go teach you something about warfare now, Zin. Because we see, say, you notice my forward out in my military. Shanti look like a Cub Scout. Or like them little girls guy. You know, like when you go to school? Yeah. Anyway, you never go to school, Brett? All right, well, teacher, they can give you extra lesson. Anyway, Brett, are you with that too, you know? Anyway, people. I go to teach Shanti Force about warfare. Because I see like him a hold the gun and him a hold it backward. Like him even want to fire it backward. Your blood clot, Mara going to fly like a blackbird. Shoot off the blood clot, bududu black conia. Shoot him with him one gun.
Beenie G, you fuck girl lion style. You kill boy iron style. You watch boy die and smile. Shot make Mara fly and poil. Yo need not let that play, no delay. Yo, this is a war time, you know, a grenade, pull it pin. Them can't war you, Beenie G. Watch how we trick them and kill them. Watch on, man.
Listen.
Man, they tell me say you eat, then sleep, and you wake up and repeat. Shanti Force, you no bad man, you a freak. Where bandy here are doing on your teeth, because you eat, then sleep, and you wake up and repeat. Shanti Force, you no bad man, you a freak. Yeah. Gunshot a send you down in a rubbish heap.
Listen.
Too brave. You and bandy party too grave.
Bumbleclad. People him dead as knit.
War.
Don't tell them your laptop, keep it.
War go on down here.
Yeah.
Clot. Here we go on now. People. That go on. War go on. Shanti Force, shoot.
Lower out. When you do the vote.
Oh, yeah.
Scene.
Entertainment.
Entertainment. Sparky press. Let me see if we get some left side. See it? What jogger we're supposed to. You know how to do that?
No.
Alright, cool.
Alright, so wait. Cognac, how your body sang that in your life, and you know why? Because you use my lyrics of my melody. Fool your fuck. But watch you now. Beenie G, where you say you tell Black Cognac to sing with me and Bandit for dig two grave. You know where Bandit tell bad girl Jade for tell you?
I would them try size up with the force. I joke this. Lion style. Me don't expect a better still, you know, cause lion near meat. Yo, Beenie, size up yourself, man. Move from this, son. Move. Yo, Shanti Force.
Oh, you feel mix bumper clock gangster and yamming. You think a Prince Akeem this?
Beenie G, me no bother want your cocky Shanti. Get the pum pum already, so you can't push a little 2 inch in my belly. Light on the buff, yo.
Don't stop it.
I would them try size up with the force. I joke this.
Yo.
Lion style. Me don't expect a better still, you know, cause lion near meat. Yo, Beenie, size up yourself, man. Move from this, son. Move. Yo, Yo, Shanti force, so it goes. Should dick in a girl them throat. Beenie G, me no bother why your cocky Shanti get the pump already, so you can't push a little 2 inch in my belly. Light on the buff, you're the style.
Wanna listen, wanna listen.
Man before the days of Blackberry. Man, I study me like booking at the library. Beenie 2 inch could make me sing like my Carey. Bun a big split, sip a little, enemy spread out on the city. Beenie never reach your belly. Huh? Beenie fool, you fuck. You brought my vibes in a simmer one cut. Say our thugs and you a eat buff. I know you want get a little look so that no normal. Beenie fool, you fuck. You brought my vibes in a simmer one cut.
Trouble in the night.
War. Beenie G. Fear time now in a second song start now in a shoot.
Born ready. Yo. You see Jade? You see Jade? I true me not this woman in a star. No, big up Jade still. You know somebody Patreon for the song they differently do still. Yo, anyway. Shanti play a female. Eh? Alright, he pay a female. He's spending money. He's spending money there, so you know. Shanti, member say, Shanti. Hold on, today Tuesday, I think today Shanti design and get him little dividends. So I think, yeah, they get him little dividends. Anyway, we are bad people. I don't care me forward from East Kingston in our place. Me nah go really make none of my next lions them kill the lady they were just talk. So I feel like me I go draw for one of my next female lioness shoot at them. The buzzing queen.
Yo, lion style. You ready for murder them in a style? Oh, some boy talk about strictly front page when we catch them round the back road. Murder!
Listen.
You send for me.
Humbo
me I kill tonight. Panty face.
Humbo clap.
Ready for drop it and clap 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 it.
Make it play.
Gun them
Season up.
If I war Beenie gun never freeze, you know. In a war him at the
militancy.
Look come here. Yo, killer in a day.
In a big night. Bumbo clap.
Take a runway pan a fly. Expand him chest, but him afraid of kryptonite. Talk too hard, pussy, you a got that channel.
Walk and live, hand talk and bumbo clap dead.
Yeah, natty make me shave your dread. We no like informer. Nah, no farmer face from you coming at the why you a got dead. Beenie G. Fuck up every avenue, fuck up every street. I say you do it, you not do surrender, you not do retreat. I say you do it, left Shanti force body spread out on the concrete. I say you do it hard, colder than the ice where them free. That is it. Shanti force get this over up. Lifestyle a British run, he Beenie never time. Him boss wanna move and commit a quick crime. Bout strictly front page when them in a denial. Cloud chasing Beenie collect that uncut. It a nowadays collateral left Shanti broke. Double beat off him face make him unconscious. The hand, the foot, all the Beenie G buzzing. From London to New York.
Buzzing.
Beenie G buzzing.
Yo. Fire, man.
War. People, you know me not call up the war. Shanti force, shoot.
As me say again, Beenie G. Big up Lady Danger, biggest artist that you voice. But, and me can say but because Lady Danger do her but. You see what me I say? Me can play the biggest song pan the rhythm there. As me say, a top league me go at all times. Squeeze the sack them.
Yeah, man, I'm a clear the bumbo clot. We know the voice of the one lad that I represent for Shanti Force. I win see your plan for ghost, cause you know when I take no clash for joke. You're up on live, everything I got dead, nothing gonna stay alive. You know, everybody on the live when I take out on the phone and start record. In a real life, one lad that I represent. This is it.
Up and Brampton.
Here long gun automatic and semi Shanti load the clip figure bust them jelly. Wartime no so we ready when you're ready. We a kill everybody enemy necessary. Gunning on and no gun pam belly as your flinch we shoot. Send them a cemetery. Shanti Force rise the KD a scary. Cause a time for them bury. Where the K? Lift it up. Where the K? Lift it up. Where the yeah man I'm a
the thing go.
People, you are going now. You know it's all about war. This are the third song saying, Beenie G, you ready? Shoot!
You know I'm born ready. Why you asking this question, man? Listen to me. Shanti Force. As I said, I got to teach you about warfare, okay? So, the boy go Birmingham. Even if feel like me have links at Birmingham too. Or Birmingham strong, should I say? So you see the same Guzo boss where you link, big up Lord God, my bad bro. He give me a bad Guzo for kill you never know.
Yeah, man, the voice of the one log I represent for Beenie G. I'm about to kill somebody very easily. Yo, up on life when them bullets start fire, you better duck and dive, nobody go up on life. Yo, Beenie G, kick out the one anything, you know, when I play with people, and the one log I represent, you know, clear the bumbo clock.
Listen.
One Lord God. Yeah. When me say again, yo, Beenie G, you no come for hype. Them fi know you have the K and the pumpy right.
Okay.
Go for them in a broad daylight.
Alright.
Alive. Beenie G no see no boy out the way free. Everybody know him the toughest thing in the area. Every foot just get anytime him clap the shot. Everybody on the life traumatized when them a watch out. Be killers come from London, them killers come from London, them killers come from London, them group up in a bunker. Beenie G no see no pussy out the subway him can angle. Looking at the triangle, everything I get dismantled. Beenie G full of gun where them jungle. Kill them quick, then kill them gal. Shallow grave no funeral. Blood leak out like mineral. When Beenie squeeze the 40 gal. Bust them head and leak it out. Skin get black like them bleach it out. Turn on the K, lights me out, yo. How what them dreaming about? Big up ya, big up seafood and dash your man disappear.
Judge. You never reach the bad part, but all that same way.
War. People, you know what I go on now. That's the thing. The Shanti, you ready? Shoot.
Shootings, you know the thing go. Anywhere we go, we have to represent. As me say, we draw for the bigger song them at all time. You see what me I say? So big up Lord God and big up Beenie G same way. You know the thing go. You see what me I say? But we are player. Me general. You say it last week, but they never spend no money. I throw your top. Me not play it in our first round because we have this long time. You see what me I say? But play that song here. See you.
One time I referee, one Shanti Force, only one Shanti Force. Who over there, so? Oh, Beenie who? Beenie what? The people them say the only Beenie them know is Beenie man. So who over there, so I must say Beenie Shishini or a Beenie freak that. What I know? Him dead and it a show. A who that? Dancehall Papi show. A Beenie G.
You know the chat go.
War, go on. You know what thing go? Beenie G, ready shoot, dog.
No, listen. I best up that him playing I war still up people. I best up him playing I war. Big up Foley Dan, you don't know one Dan. Veteran in I think. And big up Shanti Force likewise people. As I say, bad artists when me respect and rate. You see me? You know this is entertainment. But me still have to kill him. Me rest my phone here so. So, what did the feedback here? What did the feedback? We don't need that. Why? Hold on there. Remember say people really and truly me done kill him already, you know. So you have to call it say this are the live stream for him burial, right? So much people up on the live? 150? How much people up on the live? Enough up on the live. So them are witnessing burial. So them get a good turnout. No. You get a good turnout. You get more turnout than the Queen, alright? Alright. Anyway, debatable. Anyway. Yes, it's true. Me done win. Why don't we just celebrate the winnings? So we're gonna just bury him, you know. Cause I'm done dead. The funeral keep. Come let us bury him and done. Play it.
Watch your style. Oh, winning. Beenie winning. Slap with him for 6 then in the first innings.
Boom.
You winning.
Boom.
You winning.
Boom.
Be tough copper run still Beenie flinging. Aye, Beenie. Them for know, you know. Never lose the war, never lose the battle, never lose the attack.
Look at my bad bro real scale. Play it up. Play it up.
To Shanti Force, I will call him Panty Short.
Boom,
Tell a boy what you heard from the lip. Beenie bore up a boy face with him ice cream. But like bro, got him not take this. Him was circle the men's with 3 sexy bitch. 4 matic, no shot, 4 extra clip. Kick off Shanti door just like this. 6 in a face with the boy where you this fool get shallow grave and no casket. Beenie, you winning?
Yeah,
you winning. Slap with Shanti, then in a the first.
Anyway.
War, people, you know what go on. Why score now? 5 dots? 5 dots now, people, you know what thing go. One more song, and then you know what us do the decider. Shanti, you ready? Shoot here, sir.
5, this is 5, no. This is 5, this is 5, no. Yeah. So what you know? Like how me done dead in other warrior. Cause that warrior alone then can kill me, you know. Any other warrior then win a self-proclaimed victory. You see what I say? So, me I go show you the baddest dub plate for the night right now. This has Shanti Force dub plate by Shanti Force. I'm a pay myself. That's a run already. Any rhythm, yeah.
One time I referee, one Shanti Force, only one Shanti Force.
Level. This don't play at your life. Shanti Force badness dark like people of Zimbabwe. Scope on the rifle, everything well left in as a connect. Boom, bullet a fly through forehead. Plus money I run like me a Wallan, me say long time now the thing upgrade from ratchet. If I know this Smith and Wesson are the big belly matic. Where you split seal like Moses the prophet. And no broke badness we ever increase the profit. Before Corona we make boy can't leave him home. Them frightened for see the grim, reap him soul. Shoot Beenie in a real life him do it with phone. Blue steel make him flesh, leave him bone. Me no wipe on the gram so left me out of your drama. Shoot up them bass then steam out na the sauna. And me no sell gun now when them hot like laugh. I bury the Beretta. Then dig it up back after. Can't diss me and get where you're tall in a earth. Total body bag, boy gone in a earth. Gone in a dirt. Show them me 40 a work. Have a double dose Martina. Where you turn Christian, we go march in a church. Jesus now save you all the past of his blood. How you feel war Shanti when you're a nerd? What's thing this a dozy first part of the purge? Mummy say son, how you run up in a trouble so? Now beg no friend, fi me gun them double up. From PSP in the wall of them shuffle up. Once me pull it, Beenie get bullet in I'm gut. Gun too big for waste my belt buckle with a bus. Walk with it in a hand ready fi when it happy bus. People fuck up, yeah, I'm a gun alone me trust. You know what the thing going up, chop. Yeah.
War. People, you see the war gone. Live, don't play it, you know. Beenie, you ready? Shoot ya, sir.
You know I'm born ready. But people, you know me rate with Shanti, a bad artist like me, because he's a youth where him study the culture and him know say sound clash forward from the days of like Brigadier Jerry, Ninja Man, Charlie Chaplin, Supercat, Papa San, what them used to DJ around sound. I know me rate with him. Him is a real artist. But me are not too artist. Play the blood clot rhythm. Lion attack and a dog a bark. Him feel like a him on home of lyrics. Listen. Bumbo clock when the 40 beat. Boy run off a street. Pussy them heart a beat. Shot make him blood run like water leak. Yeah. The rifle of 40 feet. Bust gun like Israel and Gaza do it. The lion them nah retreat. The king them can't defeat. And me them want delete. Why? My style them hard to teach. My levels them hard to reach. What a laguana creech. But if you this, you get all farmer beat. Boom, knock it till him nah no teeth. Beenie G, levitate like him nah no feet. But have a good finishing like a top ball. I do it yo, my style fresh from birth. Bandy, I say your style. Sure.
War. Bumbo clot. You know what thing go? Shanti, your time to shoot, you know. Last one, this side, no. Shoot, you know, Shanti, you ready?
You know the thing go. As we say, we know everything where them a go forward and say all the time. Them cannot DJ a song about Shanti Force without mention Bandy. You see what me I say? But me tell you no this, cause Bandy know me as a old bad boy. You see what me I say? So, Bandy also know, say me know how the thing go in the street. Cause we are no fool. So me I go tell you something where Bandy don't know already.
Yes, I fuck Crystal.
Say anything where you want say about Bandy, you know why?
Have a girl a fuck but me no own her. Tell her say you can't too sure that. Embarrassment when you're in a road. You see a girl on a phone like porn star. But no
I know the thing go big up Bandy cause no pussy test said way. Chop.
War. Go on round here. Bumbo clot. Hold on there. Turn down some of them something here. And some of them something here. Some of them something here. Yeah. Turn down something there. I beg you please turn on a speaker over there so for me, yeah? You know. Yeah.
Beenie last show.
Beenie, yeah, one more. Yeah. Oh, Jesus Christ,
I closing.
I jump the gun. All right. You know, Beenie G already. Shoot here, sir.
Yo, people, this is what they call entertainment. You see me? So all I people in the life where really and truly love me and the bad artist Shanti Force forward and give me the entertainment. Yeah? I just want to just give you some flames. You see me? Because this is entertainment. You see it? You don't know all the things yet. And this is dancehall in the UK. I want to big up and live for the platform the same way. And you don't know more things like this for entertain the fun. But anyway, the war not done yet. Me hear him play a song and I talk about bandy this, bandy that. Youth, let me tell you, first and foremost, me have more girl than you know. But you just don't know my girl them not, not commoners. Because I'm the Black Lion King, my girl them a royalty.
Oh.
You see me?
Oh.
Anyway, like how me and them give the last shot, I feel like Shanti does need to shut him blood clot mouth, right? I'm not going to say anything else. Let the 45 do what they lack for a long time, you know. You realize at 45 him go again? The boy now no money. Run our next blood clot dub and finish the clash. Turn it up.
I Beenie J.
Okay then. So London again.
Dead.
Listen. What we tell them?
Shell will come for shell. I mean, trouble. What we tell them?
Boom.
Tell Shanti if you shut up in blood clot mouth. Shut up your blood clot mouth.
Yeah.
Beenie G say if you shut up your blood clot.
Thump and kick. Boom.
Tell Shanti if you shut up your blood clot. Thump and kick.
Boom.
Beenie G say if you shut up your blood clot. Thump and kick. What we tell them? Yo.
We forever ready.
Beenie G fuck girl till them mega jelly. G fuck girl till them mega jelly.
That is it, people. Give me a round of applause. This is good entertainment. Big up the artists, them. Said Spade. Lion Style. Lion Style. Big up my fans, you know you are the important ones. Prince Hakim, get ready. Your blood clot I got dead in our next run.
Daddy.
No, sir.
Yo, before Jagan, before we start, yeah? Want 5 pounds of this, we don't know who with it, but want a 5.
Birds. Put down the blood clot money. See?
Hey, come back and go now.
Yeah, what go on now. It's not Grenades on a Friday.
Exactly.
Put down the money.
Here
we know people. We put the time up on the screen.
Yes.
And just do the right thing. See?
Do business.
See how we go on. We have vote. Remember just remind you know what the thing go. You know, it's all about 1 minute and 20 seconds.
Yeah.
For the vote for the favorite celebrity. Remember S for Shanti, B for Beenie G. And remember that was a tune for tune. Each contestant come and play them best 6 songs. We have a whole heap of dub play. We have some 45, we have some live dub plate, we have bag of things that go on a scene. No shimmies, no fumble double that go on. See?
Don't start vote until the time
Don't start vote until the time I start. Uncle Live, anytime I'm ready, you know, hurry up and fix up that something there, cause you know, shot a fire from evening, man, I get shoot around you. Careful.
Careful. Remember the show is sponsored by Style. Time is off. Time off. Let me call the first vote. Who hold the first vote? Remember B for BDG, S for Shanti Force. When I see no vote go up all now.
Remember the show is sponsored by Style London and Granary. Seeing people. Remember they said if you want any t-shirt print, any little something print up, if you have a little party, you have a little event, you can go over there to get to the printing scene. You know, say the best place for Friday night, this granaries. Over there you can go and get a little lap dance, you know. Them sell little sex or sell round
the first vote was Fuzzy the artist.
You can go over there go on with a little thing. Voting start now. See it? People vote. That's the thing there. M2K, don't confuse the thing, you know, don't mash up the ballot. Yeah, alright. Go on and vote now, people. Vote. Remember the S for Shanti, B for Beenie G. Easy does it. See it? 25 seconds to go. Let's go. That's the thing there. When I ready, when I vote, blood clot, the war look serious, you know, Rick?
Well, serious, man.
No, the war serious. People, you want to go on now. 10 seconds to go. Vote now, man. Make it quick. Quick and fast. 4, 3, 2, 1. Voting line lock now, we know.
The last one is Duskin. What the name there? I get
Alright, we're not Shanti will love it definitely.
Here we go on now.
So
when you call the vote, them birds stop jump the gun.
3, bruv. You deaf?
So we get the official number. What we get is Shanti Force 9, Beenie G 3. So for the 2 and 3, so that round goes to Shanti Force.
That round go to Shanti Force. People, I know where you do it.
Yeah.
And the people on the line do it. Yeah. So that round go to Shanti Force. So overall, let me just go on a recap of the clash.
Yeah.
You want to recap the clash, Rick?
Yeah, the recap of the clash. The first round was 10 minutes round, and basically Beenie G won the toss and decided that he wanted Shanti Force to start first. Shanti Force do a wicked set, but him play be a 45. Be a hot song, be a bad song, hold it by effective song. Then Beenie G forward play a one barrage, a dub plate. Every single song, dub plate. Straight 10 minutes of fire. Beenie G emerged victorious for that round. Second round was a jug, and you want to explain what going on for the second round?
Yeah, the second round was the challenge round scene, and the challengers was Vibes Cartel.
Yes.
You get to shoot your best 3 Vibes Cartel them scene. You know, Shanti Force decided to shoot first, again because Beenie G won the toss.
Yes.
You know, Shanti Force shoot off in 3, but the Cartel them. You see me? Beenie G comes to rup and shoot 3, but the Cartel and win the round, you see me? People them say landslide again. Ballot fuck up.
Yeah. And we went now to the third and final round. You want to explain what's going on for the third round, Brad? Sorry.
Tune for tune, and Beenie G fought again with a one bag of UK artists, which is a good look for the whole I don't play them. So the Shanti Force, but we should have read from the start. And in the end, Shanti Force win the round. They say if we start with the don't play them, that'd be a different story now, though.
Alright, so let's analyze what this. What do you think was the biggest song for the night? The biggest song? Eh? What do you think?
What the biggest song for the night? Me think the counteraction, the Bandy and Shanti counteraction. To me, yeah, the black that's a big song because I never expect that one day.
Yeah.
So to me, that one day is a bad counteraction to me because for a man counteract, you hear one song.
Yeah.
In a clash and fix it now wait for you.
Yeah.
Make it be the that song there. Bad song.
My bad song, I like the Foley dance song.
Yeah, I would say this.
I think, to be honest, the way it cut, it was, me I hear everything and the punchline there, it was very effective.
But what me surprised about, though,
what go on?
when you're in a style of British dub plate, are a big Zeeks dub plate.
That me I say.
That me I say. Shanti, you know you're in trouble.
And you're the worst thing.
Yeah.
When you're in a bandit dub plate.
Me not in a bandit dub plate. What with the blood?
You know, say, to be honest, me feel like Shanti underestimate.
No.
To be fair,
I think. Say it, yes, sir.
It's not no bragging thing, and it's not no excuse. We accept we lost. Yeah. You understand? But the reality is, I've been busy to an extent, and to be honest with you, yesterday alone, me start out. You get dub. You get what I'm saying? So that's all. Big up to Beenie G. Was prepared fully, and my forward. You remember say we watch the first one and we see some juggling. We never know say a dub like that. Big old man thing. But we expect. No, it's not trick because we expect it also because me still stand with the fact most of them artists they ask for a Shanti Force feature.
Yeah.
You understand? And they never get it.
So basically, Shanti Force see my lose and say, you know what? Fire should have a body.
So it's gonna be no problem. Shanti. But maybe also, if I did ask, they would have do it because you know, me and all of the artists, me have no problem with no artists in a real life. You see me? So we make fun and joke. But
no, Shanti,
you know if they short them are.
You come like you want to say the man them have you because the marks are feature and them never get done to them.
No, but I swear it go.
Run in, enough them.
Me just give Beenie G some song to cut off your head.
Yeah, I saw it go.
And that go on?
Me take the last. Me will take the last. Hands up.
To be
fair.
fair.
Hold my gun pipe and shoot me, but try it next time. Try it again.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. To be fair, yeah.
You know, say this is the celebrity clash. You know, says no flubble double business are going over here. So,
yes.
You know, next week is all about the final. You know, it's all about Prince Hakeem versus Beenie G. So, here I know. Prince Hakeem, I'm glad you're up on the live and you watch. Make sure so you get one whole heap of dub plate cut and beat things that, cause you know, them say 45 shop lock, you know. No, them say lock to blood clot and the key last. So I don't know how it will work my back.
Yeah, but let's ask, Beenie G, forward there for a second. Take my talk off. Let me ask a question quick and fast, cause yes, your bank account is supposed to be nearly now, cause the amount of dub plate when me see your voice, not even a real war or sound class, me not say sound have so much special. Talk to it.
Yo, Yo, hear me say people, right now, the amount of dub me have, me can start a sound. So you hear me? As of next week, Beenie G sound, Lion Style Entertainment, we are take bookings, you see me? We are do like birthday parties, we are do like, funerals and these kind of things. Yeah, man. But no, as where Shanti say, you don't know, it was preparation still, you see me? And we really prepared because we really watched the first clash. You see me? Big up Prince Hakeem and big up Ricardo Rawal. And me really analyze and saw like, we don't call it then, the weak points then, so to speak. So I make sure I say I did properly prepared, you see me? So you don't know, big up all our artists them as well, big up the UK dancehall community. Them really give me the strength and I just say we load up, we have more nuclear than USA and Russia, you see it? So that was it, man, that's preparation.
Right. That is it. So people, you know what going on, so just recap the rules. You know, the first 2 weeks of the clash, it was a easy format, so the final is going to be a little curveball
difference,
throwing
yes.
in the little ball game, see?
So
the curveball we are throwing in the ball game is going to be an extra round added
4
to the
rounds.
clash, see? So it's going to be a 4-round clash instead of a 3-round, see?
Yeah.
And because of UK and the True Spirit of Up and Live show, the whole UK diaspora, we have a round dedicated for the UK artists them, so you know the thing go. So you can spend a little money with the artists them, buy some UK artists and promote to a friend them song, and also phone a song.
Exactly.
Remember, everybody around here a celebrity, everybody a star, so you can cut on all one song to,
I don't mean that.
So you can do that somebody to,
But this is an opportunity for artists as well. So you're an artist in the UK, you can give one of the celebrity them a song for as a dub plate, because it promote you as well. Because me guarantee enough of the artists when me hear since night, me never really even know about some of them song. I mean, I say, John, that can voice now one real clash out there. So a promotion, so give a celebrity a song.
But this does show you say in a real life, obviously this are just two artists that play a sound, but in a clash world, if DJ artist, it does help career, bro, because it draw people for year on the song them. So the man have to stop be afraid. Look how Shanti done say, I'm lose and congratulate the man before. Some man that get vexed and at the spirit of the game, cause when it done here, it's just a clash, bro. You have a career, you see me? So want some sound for do the sound thing, and the art to do the artist thing.
Remember, people just have a few minutes to go. Remember, we are up show shortly, but
exactly.
Do remember, artists, celebrities. Remember, we still have a wild card. Nobody use it. I think somebody don't draft for Raga rookie, one at a time in a wild card thing. Remember, I get to an extra insurance for the equipment. You see me?
Yeah.
Cause I feel like say everything on my. But I say, what would they? You see me?
Exactly.
So remember, next week we can forward in a wild card. Either one girl where the artist you are there would want to start working now. Anything you want to choose for you have to phone
Exactly.
As a while, as you know, as you look at mine go, you see me?
Exactly.
When you come in here, we don't look a freak in this guy, not going to work. But
that is it. Stop it. That is it. So remember, people, the show is sponsored by Style of London. If you want to get any form of printing done, Style of London, you can follow them on Instagram. And also, we are sponsored by the Granaries Nightclub that's in South London, that's in Croydon to the exact. Weekly events, Thursday nights, you have game nights. Friday nights, you have the ladies special. I just say you can get bread special. No, just ask him name.
On a Friday and Granaries, you have Magnum Friday on the ground floor. Top floor, you have booty just be able, the ladies them out and just forward there. Call me name, get a discount. On Saturday, the Granaries original Saturday night, you see me? On Sunday, at some old school, it's up there, so yeah.
Exactly. And remember, you can find us on YouTube. Go on over there and support the videos. Go over there, like, share, subscribe for the YouTube channel. Send your music to info to upanliveshow@gmail.com. You know, we like to close the show each and every week with a special from Jagga. And Jagga know it's sound.
People, I tell you, say, they love your brother. No, stop the blood clot fuckery. War, go on. No love in a pure war that week.
War, your brother.
War. People, here we go.
Peace.
Until next week, peace.
Out.